On our way to get those race bullets installed now. Let's go. Oh, hey. I sure forgot these. There she is. Looking good, looking good. Alright, so we'll do a cold start later in the video so we can compare the original exhaust to the Dynomax race bullets. And I laid in it, and man, you can tell a difference. Now, driving around town so much, you don't really feel a difference, hear a difference per se. I don't know why I said feel, but bear with me here. It's still morning. But when you get on it, it is a lot different animal. And I will say, as you'll see later in the video, is at idle, it sounds more like a muscle car. Because at regular idle, without the Dynomax race bullets, it was kind of smooth, refined, you know, rub, 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 rub. Now it sounds like a muscle car at idle. It sounds very similar to what my Camaro SS sounded like with Flowmaster Axleback exhaust. That thing, woo! Not only was it loud, but man, it made it sound like a muscle car. So that's what this sounds like too. So I'll find somewhere of an open stretch here, and I'll lay into it so you guys can kind of hear it. It'll be a little hard to hear, but you'll hear it, trust me. It'll sound a lot different. All right, let's nail it, see what she sounds like. Oh yeah. Wow. That exhaust opens up. Holy crap. Might not hear that well in the video, but there's a huge difference. It sounds a lot better. It sounds a lot meaner. And just for $60, that's all he charged me. And then $40 for both, total, $40 both for the Dynomax race bullets. I couldn't be happier. I don't have to spend a whole lot of money on the exhaust system. And this is what she sounds like at idle. Good comparison right now. But here's the cold start with the new Dynomax race bullets. Here it is. It's a lot louder. The only thing I might add down the road is headers, but that's going to be after we provide some more boost from courtesy of Tim Barth with the upper pulley. And then of course we'll add the injectors when the thermostat. Already got the cold air intake, so we just got to have the tune on top of it. Some more boost, and then we'll potentially add the headers down the road. But there you guys have it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Have you done this mod? What did you think of it? I absolutely love it. Smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Really helps me out. See you guys in the next Hellcat video.